Hi everyone, I'm WITT Roy. Today we'll look at the full journey of how someone becomes a registered electrician in New Zealand. It is for experience pathway to become an electrician. There are two main routes, the overseas trained pathway and the New Zealand experience pathway. From Australia, the process is much easier. Under the Trans-Tasman Mutual Recognition Agreement, your Australian licence and work experience are recognised directly by the EWRB in New Zealand. This means your qualifications, licence and electrical registration are accepted almost straight away. From other countries, the process is different. Your overseas qualifications and work experience may not be automatically recognised. The first step is that you just apply for the class of registration you want. When you apply, the EWRB reviews your qualifications and work experience, checks your evidence, and then issues you a letter telling you exactly what requirements you must meet. In most cases, this means sitting the Electricians Theory exam, the Electricians Regulations exam, and the practical assessment. You'll also need to prove your work experience. For electricians, that's 8,000 hours, around 4 years of work. If your overseas hours are not fully recognised, you may need to complete additional supervised work in New Zealand. For those who gain their experience in New Zealand, the pathway is more structured. You must pass the Electricians Theory exam, pass the Electricians Regulations exam, complete the practical assessments, stages 1, 2 and 3, show at least 8,000 hours of supervised electrical work experience. The key point is that your hours must be confirmed by an EWRB board-approved supervisor. You'll need to keep a daily logbook, recording the date, hours worked, the type of jobs, and the company you worked for. Your supervisor signs this record and it is accepted by the EWRB as proof of your work experience. So whether you are overseas trained or building your career in New Zealand, the key steps are: get your work experience confirmed properly, pass the required exams and practical assessments, follow the instructions in the EWRB's guidance or your application assessment letter. That's the pathway to becoming a registered electrician in New Zealand. Once registered, you then apply for a practicing license, which lets you legally do the prescribed electrical work.